It's time for me to go.
Crushing darkness. Like waves endlessly colliding with land, without meaning or intent. I wander around looking for something to make my existence into more than just the mere result of some random coincidence in the universe. Why people need something, like a wild animal without a herd. A human could feel free and strong, staying separated from other people. Why God made us this way? Hey God Almighty, what drives your mind? Why do I feel this emptiness? Will the blackness ever be filled? I couldn't change the course of these fiendishly laid rails before me. God help me, I have tried. Why? Why keep going? Is there reason to be found? Can I ever break free of this eternal descent into this absolute emptiness? All my life, art has been the one ray of light in the growing sickness. I could imagine anything, and by carrying it on the canvas, I've been able to make it real. Real in some ways. Turning blank canvas into something beautiful and almost tangible has been one of the most euphoric feelings there is. But now I feel it's also been destroying me. There she was, shining as bright as the moon, mirroring sunlight that is needed to create beauty from nothingness that I have found myself in too many times. The cold emptiness of the blank canvas was starting to get filled again with a story that I could have never come up with by myself alone. Our moments together were brighter than the stars that emerged from the endless deep blackness that is the night sky. Those waves in the sand were no longer meaningless, but a perfect backdrop for our many shared sunsets.
It's time. You will create art that no one ever created. You will be remembered 100 years after as someone who invented art itself. It's sad our kind cannot stay in this place for longer.
Right. Suicide.